Are you over 50 and looking to boost your brain power naturally? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we will reveal the top 5 brain boosting drinks that can help you stay sharp and focused as you age. So stay tuned because a sharper mind is just a sip away. Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriology. Today, we are diving into the world of brain boosting drinks specifically tailored for those in their 50s and beyond. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our fantastic content. Let's jump right into it. As we age, it's crucial to support our cognitive function and memory. These 5 beverages are packed with nutrients that can help maintain your brain health and keep your mind as sharp as a tack. So without further ado, let's unveil these brain-boosting elixirs. Our first brain-boosting drink is the delicious blueberry and spinach smoothie. It's loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can enhance cognitive function. To prepare this, you'll need the following ingredients: a handful of fresh blueberries, a handful of fresh spinach, Greek yogurt, a dash of honey, a cup of almond milk, and chia seeds. Not only does this taste amazing, but it's also packed with nutrients that promote brain health. Next up, we have a classic favorite: green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants and L-theanine, which can improve focus and alertness. Just brew a cup of green tea and enjoy its calming yet stimulating effects daily. Our third brain-boosting drink is a refreshing ginger and turmeric golden milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. Here's how you can make it. You need almond milk, turmeric powder, ginger, cinnamon, and honey. This warm beverage not only soothes your senses but also supports your brain health. For our fourth brain-boosting drink, we have a power-packed brain-boosting berry smoothie. Berries, particularly strawberries and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help improve memory. To make this smoothie, you need the following ingredients: number 1, strawberries, number 2, raspberries, Greek yogurt, number 4, banana, number 5, a splash of orange juice, and lastly, a drizzle of honey. This delightful drink will give your brain a nutritious kickstart. Last but not least, we have the ultimate omega-3 booster, a glass of fresh cold water fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining brain health. Make sure to include fish in your diet regularly to provide your brain with the nutrients it needs. And there you have it, 5 brain-boosting drinks to keep your mind sharp and focused as you embrace your 50s and beyond. Remember to enjoy these drinks as part of a balanced diet and stay physically active for the best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay healthy, stay sharp, and until next time, keep sipping your way to a better brain. See you in the next one. Toodles!